خب اینی چیز باید بالا کنی.
این
دیفرنشیال اگر بالا کنی تا این بالا نه هنا خلاص اهو خب ایناله ایره با پایان کش کنیم کم زره بسیار آسان بسیار ایزی پیزی لیمون سکویزی بسیار کردیم از این باید ایتاد کنیم پایپاش کدام دمیج نشه پایپاش دمیج نشه اینه بسیار ایزی پیزی That's it.
بذار خدامه Okay, we got it fit in the place. You can see.
So before I put it back the front differential, I want to put it the what you can call
For the string column.
the string column. Yep, this one.
Okay.
I have to put it that one because it has enough space. And
Have you put your part in?
yeah, okay. So should I cut the video?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. It's so easy. No need to take it off all the frame, and so easy. Just remove the front differential. Just three. There's a mount. Take it off. 3 bolts, and take it off the swiveling and tie rod. Disconnect from both sides. There is there's 2 hoses for the rock and pinion. That's it. All right, guys. Okay.